So I'm going to show you how to load up the River Itchen on Google Earth and then create some polygons to start to represent the land use. So you need to go to Geography Firefly and you go vle.bdales.org.uk, click Browse Site, Subjects, Geography, and then if you click VAC, scroll down and you've got Rivers, tabs of the page. Once you're in Rivers, you can see here you've got the Environment Agency feed about some rivers, map there, and then down here you've got the links to the assessment information for this module, as well as then information for specific lessons. So we're in lesson 3, and this is the link you want to click. So this KMZ file opens up in Google Earth. You zoom in there and you can see the blue section is the River Itchen. Now your first task is to describe the course of the river. Where does it begin, where does it flow from and to, what are its characteristics, what does it look like, and then you need to be able to add pins to locate the source, mouth and other features. So I'll just show you again how to add a pin. So the source, the furthest point from the mouth, it's this location down here near Cheriton. And so what we want to do is click the yellow pin, we can drag it to the right location, and we can name this source. Okay, great. You repeat that process then for the other features, and you can tag different locations. Now in terms of land use, what we need to do is have a bit of a key so that you understand what the colours represent. The idea of this activity though is to simplify. So we're using grey, green, yellow, brown, orange and purple for different locations. So let's just have a go. I'll show you how to use the polygon tool. So if we zoom in, let's have a look at this location up here at the start. So polygon is this button here next to the pin, and by clicking this you can click locations and create quite a rough polygon. So the purpose of this is not to be superbly accurate, but instead just to give a general representation. And by clicking style and colour, you can choose the colour that you want. So we've said residential is grey, so if we pick a suitable grey colour. And what we can also do is change the opacity, so we can make it so that we can actually see behind. And so what you might like to do is change it to sort of 50 or 60%, so you can actually see what is represented behind it. Okay. So there we have, that's one polygon. And the idea is, in a very crude way, we're looking at all of it within or areas touching the river. So we've got over here lots of agricultural land, so we could do a similar exercise where we very roughly think, okay, all of this land is agricultural, and so we want to change this to a green. Again, it retains that 60% opacity, so it's slightly transparent. And you can see that we're starting to build up a land use picture. Now, in terms of saving this, what we want to do is, if you right click on My Places and add a folder again, and we can call this Land Use River Itchen. And again, you want to, once you've created your polygons, you want to drag them in so that you can save by going right-clicking, Save Place As, and then once you've finished, you can save your file of all of the land use that you've created.